Aloha Keiki! Welcome to Home Garden Network Homeschool Edition. My name's Tiana Brennan, or you can call me Auntie T. Today we're going to talk about seeds. Lesson 1 will cover seeds, plant seeds, and the different parts of seeds. Do you know what seeds are? Take a minute to picture how they look. Good. What seed did you picture? Did you know that rice is a seed? Seeds can be tiny, like lettuce seeds, or big, like coconuts. We can grow new plants from seeds, like these. We can even eat seeds. What seeds do you like to eat? Yum! Do you know where seeds come from? There are two types of plants that make seeds: Angiosperms and Gymnosperms. Angiosperms are flowering plants. Angio means container, and sperm is another word for seed. So an angiosperm is a seed container. An example of an angiosperm would be a papaya tree. Papayas have their seeds inside of a container. You can see the seeds are inside. This is different from gymnosperms. Gymnosperms do not have their seeds inside of a container. Gymno means uncovered. So a gymnosperm is an uncovered seed. And a good example would be pine trees. You can see these pine cones. They're not covered like angiosperms. Do you have fruit trees near you? Do you have pine trees near you? Before seeds begin to grow, they're dormant. Dormant means that the baby plant is inside sleeping. To wake the baby plant up, you need air, warmth, and water. Once a seed gets air, warmth, and water, the baby seed will begin to wake up and grow. This process is called germination. Next, we're going to cover the parts of a bean seed. Here is a bean seed. You see how tiny it is? This little seed has this white dot on it, and that is called the hilum. The hilum is the part of the seed that connects the plant to its mother, just like your belly button connected you to your mother. The next part that you can see is called the testa. This is the seed coat. The seed coat protects the baby plant and the seed. Just like when you wear a coat, you're protecting yourself from the weather. The testa does the same thing for the seed. After the testa, we have the part called the cotyledon. The cotyledon is the part that you can probably see if you were to open your bean seed. The cotyledon is where all the seed's nutrients are stored. It's the food storage for the baby plant. The baby plant is called an embryo, and the embryo is made up of all the parts inside of the seed. The first part is the radicle. The radicle will become the root of the new plant. The second part is called the hypocotyl. The hypocotyl is the part of the plant that will become the stem. Above the hypocotyl is the epicotyl. This is the top of the embryo. Epi means above and hypo means below. So the epicotyl is above the hypocotyl. The next part is the plumule. The plumule are the tiny leaves of the baby plant. These are going to become the first leaves of the new plant. This shows you from seed to plant. The plumule is the part that will become the new leaves. The hypocotyl is the part that will become the stem. And the radicle is the part that will become the root.